What's up, Hyperdrive crew? Welcome back to the channel where we explore the most exciting bikes on the planet. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future two-wheeled adventures. Today, we're taking a closer look at a bike that's been making waves in the entry-level sport bike segment, the 2025 Yamaha R3. Has Yamaha stepped up their game? Let's find out. Boom! Check out this sharp new look. The 2025 R3 takes styling cues from its bigger brothers, the R7 and R1, with a more aggressive front fairing and a sleek aerodynamic profile. It's clear Yamaha is aiming for a more mature and sporty aesthetic. This isn't just a beginner bike, it's a serious contender. Looking at the side profile, the R3 maintains its compact and agile stance. The lines are clean and flowing, giving it a dynamic appearance. The fuel tank is sculpted for better rider ergonomics, allowing for a more comfortable and confident riding position. Let's check out the rolling stock. The R3 typically comes with lightweight wheels designed for nimble handling. We're expecting grippy sport tires that provide excellent feedback and confidence on the road or track. These tires are designed for performance without sacrificing everyday usability. Now let's jump into the cockpit. The 2025 R3 features a modern LCD instrument panel, providing all the essential information in a clear and easy-to-read format. We're hoping for improved visibility in all lighting conditions. The controls are ergonomically placed, making it easy to access everything you need while riding. The heart of the R3 is its lively 321cc parallel twin engine. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery and responsive throttle. For 2025, we're expecting further refinements to improve performance and fuel efficiency, while still maintaining its user-friendly character. This engine is perfect for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. Moving to the rear, the R3 features a sporty tail section and a compact exhaust system. The design is clean and functional, contributing to the bike's overall aerodynamic profile. The taillight is modern and bright, ensuring good visibility on the road. Overall, the 2025 Yamaha R3 is a significant step forward for this popular sport bike. It combines sharp styling, a responsive engine, and modern technology in a package that's both exciting and accessible. Now let's talk about price. The 2025 Yamaha R3 is expected to be priced competitively within its segment, likely around $5,500 USD. This makes it an excellent value for riders looking for a stylish and capable sport bike. What do you think of the 2025 R3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hyperdrive for more exciting motorcycle content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep those wheels turning.